handmade DIY pipe cleaner flower, simple and beautiful craft idea. In this video, I'll show you how to easily make a lovely flower using colorful pipe cleaners. A fun and charming project, perfect for gifts, decorations, or just a creative way to spend your time. With just a few soft, bendable pipe cleaners, we'll twist them into delicate petals and leaves to form a flower that never fades. This DIY is perfect for beginners, loved by kids and adults alike, and makes a wonderful handmade gift, party decoration, or creative classroom activity. Why you'll love this DIY: super easy to make, uses affordable and accessible materials. Fun and relaxing to do, great for gifts, crafts, and home decor. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Let me know if you've tried this or what DIY ideas you'd like to see next.